Do you love your Instant Pot? I sure do. Today I'm going to show you how to make this 5-minute prep pantry staples Instant Pot white chicken chili. And absolutely everyone will love this recipe. Let's do it.
The only ingredients we have to chop is the onion and the toppings, and I like to do it first thing so then it's out of my way. Everyone has their own way of chopping an onion. I like to cut off the ends and then cut it in half and peel, but the very professional correct way is to keep the hairy end intact, slice kind of like this, so then the layers are not sliding. Chop it and transfer to a bowl. Set aside. These are lime wedges for serving. We also will be adding a juice of 1 lime to the Instant Pot. If you don't have lime, feel free to use lemon or just skip it. It adds nice zing to the chili. I have a full-blown tutorial on my website on how to dice avocado. I'm going to link in the description below, but in a nutshell, you just cut it in half, then hold the half with the pit in your hand and insert knife into it, twist it and remove it. Then take a spoon, scoop out the halves, and the tricky part is this avocado looked perfectly fine at the store. I was able to salvage some of it, but there were definitely brown parts. Good thing it's only for the topping and you're serving to your family, hopefully. Slice it lengthwise, then into strips, and then you just dice it. It is super easy. To chop cilantro, grab the bunch by the end and then shave off the leaf, discard the stems, and then give the leaves a rough chop in both directions. That's why having a sharp chef's knife is a must in a kitchen. I'm going to link to my knife in the description below. We will be adding some of the cilantro to the pot and some as topping. The beauty of this recipe is you don't have to saute anything. To your Instant Pot, any size, add onions. Here I have 2 cans of cannellini beans. Then I'm adding frozen corn. You can also use canned corn. Just drain the liquid. Then chicken broth, low sodium or regular. And because it is a paste, I like to spread it just to make sure it dissolves. Then I add water, and in case if you're using broth, you're adding just broth. Now we're adding a can of diced green chiles, and then the spices. It's literally cumin, chili powder, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. And last but not least, 1 pound or 2 large chicken breasts. You can use chicken thighs, boneless and skinless, or you can even use frozen chicken. Just make sure your breasts are separated. Put the lid on, make sure the valve is on sealing, and press manual or pressure cook on high for 20 minutes. It depends on the model of Instant Pot you have. After, all you have to do is release the pressure. No need to wait for it to subside on its own. And then you shred chicken breasts right in the pot. This is truly one pot meal made with pantry staples, fridge staples. It is amazing. So shred the chicken there, or you can also remove it onto a plate. It's how you like it. And then we are going to finish it off by adding our flavor boosters. Fresh cilantro, I like to reserve some for serving in individual bowls. Then I like to add Greek yogurt. You can also add sour cream. I like to use whole milk yogurt. A little bit of cream cheese. We do need a little bit of fat. It's good, it's healthy. Then I'm squeezing a whole lime juice off. You can use lemon or you can skip it. It is not a big deal. Don't think that you cannot make this chili if you don't have lime. So squeeze, and bottled is not as good, but you can use it. And then give everything a gentle stir, like you don't want to make beans a mush. I like to let it sit for a few minutes so the cream cheese melts, and then I give it one more stir. And this is your Instant Pot white chicken chili. Everyone, even my kids' friends, when they come over, we know kids can be picky, they love this recipe. Now here's how we serve it. Ladle it in a bowl, and then what are your favorite toppings? I would like to know. Comments? That's what comments are for. And I like crushed chips, cilantro, diced avocado, pepper. Taste test. It is so good. It is so good. It is one of my favorite Instant Pot recipes, and it comes together in half an hour. I hope you guys enjoy, and if you do, please share with your friends and family, and see you next time.